Right, marketing minutes. Need to advertise, engage locally, raise awareness, and invite new inquiries. What else? Oh yeah, need flexibility to promote short-term offers and a way to get customers that cuts marketing wastage. Yeah. Next meeting to be arranged to discuss, yeah. Oh, I know, keep it simple. I'll just call my local radio station.
Saddle up for the Wild West Moonwalk Rodeo on May the 12th and raise money for breast cancer. There's a posse of thousands on the stampede, all wearing Wild West decorated bras.
Make it your New Year resolution. Sign up today. Walkthewalk.org. The Moonwalk London at midnight, May the 12th on Clapham Common. Register now at walkthewalk.org.
Darn it, where's my walking shoes?
Wimbledon Model Railway Club, 90 years old, and now you can join them. On Saturday and Sunday, see their amazing layouts at Carshalton Boys Sports College. There's loads on sale. Drop in this weekend in Carshalton and every Wednesday in Mitcham. The Wimbledon Model Railway Club, first for model trains.
You know you could stop. You really don't have to light up. Try Alan Carr's easy way to stop smoking. 20 a day can cost £3,000 a year. Let alone your health. That's a dream holiday. Book at half price, and if it doesn't work, you get your money back. Alan Carr, Rains Park, SW20. Call 0208 944 7761. Because satisfaction is the easy way to stop smoking.
Who? What? Where? 3 questions you need to ask about good food in Wimbledon Chase. It's Waffle Jacks, the American diner on Kingston Road. These boys are so clued up, they know what's going down. They spill the beans right through the day with burgers, waffles, bagels, and even a New York City breakfast. Great!
Get the full lowdown at wafflejacks.co.uk. Waffle Jacks on Kingston Road, Wimbledon Chase. The American diner.
So you've just finished the shopping. You're on the bus with all the bags, but you've run out of cash. You don't have to worry. Metrobus are now contactless. Step on board and just ask the driver for a ticket to your destination. And then pay by contactless. Tap your card on the reader and your ticket is printed out. No worries, Metrobus still take cash. It's just easier with contactless. Single, return, day or weekly, Metrobus has the ticket. Step on board.